In today's video, I am going to teach you how to do automatic check-in, check-out in Zoho People. Automatic check-in and check-out can help your organization track attendance more consistently, especially when you want to reduce manual actions and keep records clean. Once it is enabled, employees can have their attendance captured automatically based on the rules your Zoho People account is set up to follow. To turn this on, you will be working inside the attendance settings area. Start by logging in to Zoho People and looking to the top right corner of the screen. Find and click Settings. This is where Zoho People keeps the main controls for how different modules behave, including leave and attendance. After you open Settings, move to the Leave and Attendance section. In that section, select Attendance. This takes you into the area where attendance tracking options are managed. If your account has multiple attendance configurations, make sure you are in the correct attendance area for your organization before you change anything. Next, look to the left sidebar and click Attendance Settings. The sidebar is where Zoho People organizes the different attendance-related pages, and Attendance Settings is the place where you can control how check-in and check-out works. Once you are in Attendance Settings, go to the top menu and click the option labeled Check-in and Check-out. This view focuses specifically on the rules and behavior for recording the start and end of a work period. Now find the Auto Check-in/Check-out setting and switch it to On. Turning this on enables the automatic behavior, so check-in and check-out events can be recorded without employees having to do it manually, depending on how your system is configured. Finally, click Submit to save your changes. Submitting is important because leaving the page without saving can cancel the update. After you submit, it is a good idea to stay on the page for a moment and confirm the setting still shows as on, just to ensure it was applied successfully. And that is all there is to it.